Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the clock on your Mercedes C-Class. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on so you can interact with the central display. Then, navigate to the main menu on your infotainment screen. From there, you will need to find and select the System or Settings option to begin the adjustment process. This initial step is crucial for accessing the time configuration. Once inside the system settings, look for the Time and Date menu. This is where you will configure the fundamental aspects of your clock. You can then choose your specific time zone from a comprehensive list, ensuring accuracy wherever you drive. Additionally, you have the flexibility to select your preferred display format, whether that's a 12-hour or 24-hour clock, tailoring it to your personal preference. Sometimes, you might need to manually adjust the time, especially if automatic synchronization is not enabled. Within the Time and Date menu, you can precisely set the hours using the on-screen controls. Following that, adjust the minutes to match the exact current time. After making your adjustments, always remember to confirm your selections to ensure the new time settings are saved and applied correctly to your vehicle's clock. For ultimate convenience, consider enabling automatic time synchronization. When this feature is active, your Mercedes C-Class will automatically update its clock using either GPS signals or a network connection. This means you won't have to manually adjust for daylight saving or time zone changes. It's a fantastic feature that ensures your vehicle's clock is always accurate, providing you with precise time information effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.